Tia neno nikiwa nimeokoka. Naendelea katika imani na nimefurahia huyu Bwana sana hata wakati wa festive season hii ya Easter. Bwana amekuwa pamoja nasi kama familia, amekuwa nami kibinafsi na tunaendelea kumtukuza na kumuinua kwa sababu ni mwema. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe. Tunaendelea na somo la Roho Mtakatifu. Tumeendelea kabisa na tulikuwa sasa kwa gifts of the Holy Spirit, na tukaona hizi gifts ziko katika 1 Corinthians 12. Tumekuwa tukiziangalia from that scripture 1 Corinthians 12 and from verse 7 to 11. Tuisome tena ili tujikumbushe. Now to each one the manifestation of the Spirit is given for the common good. To one there is given through the Spirit the message of wisdom, to another the message of knowledge by means of the same Spirit, to another faith by the same Spirit, to another gifts of healing by that one Spirit, to another miraculous powers, to another prophecy, to another the ability to distinguish between spirits, to another the ability to speak in different kind of tongues, and to still another the interpretation of tongues. 11 inasema, all these are the work of one and the same Spirit, and he gives them to each man just as he determines. Praise be to God. Na tukaangalia the first group of gifts. Tulisema tuliziweka zikiwa pamoja tatu. Za kwanza, the word of knowledge, the word of wisdom, and the discernment of spirits. And we said they are referred to as the revelational gifts. Because they are why are they called revelational gifts? Each of these three gifts reveals something. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na tukaziangalia hizo tatu. The word of wisdom, the word of knowledge, na tukaona jinsi zinakuwa za manufaa katika maisha yetu. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na tunaingia leo kwa the second group of 3. Tukaziita gifts of the Spirit, the power gifts. Za kwanza zilikuwa revelational gifts, the gift of wisdom, gift of knowledge, and discerning of spirits. Hizo tulisema they are revelational gifts, they reveal something. Sasa tuko kwa the second group of 3, the power gifts. Na hii ni gift of faith, gift of healing, and the miraculous power or working of miracles. These gifts are supernatural abilities given to the believer by the Holy Spirit. He gives them to each man just as he wills, or as he desires, or as he determines. So, tukaona all of these gifts, they are gifts of grace. Na kwa hivyo, tunaangalia the power gifts. And the purpose of these power gifts is to demonstrate and manifest God's incredible and supernatural power. The gift of faith, the gift of healing, and the working of miracles. When they demonstrate and manifest God's incredible and supernatural power, the end result is God's glory. We are able to see the glory of God through healing, through miraculous powers, and we are able to see the effectiveness of the gospel and fruitfulness in God's service and the edification of God's people. Let us look at the gift of faith. When the gift of faith is in operation, tutasema uko na kipawa cha imani when what happens? When the gift of faith is in operation, the believer who has been given this gift ya imani is inspired and emboldened to speak